it up, break even. Market take this, market teasing. I'm just stacking little base hits. 36 bucks, don't waste it. MNQ Futures stops in a rip quick. You blink once, man, you miss it. We don't chase highs when we pull back. Paper hands cry, I want that back. Small size gang and we stay lit. Just stacking up these base hits. 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 Got banned on X cause the Chuck Norris clips. Didn't know they get me hit with the blitz. Now I'm sitting here like what I do wrong, while the market keeps singing its song. Chat talking about cop deed and trades. Life advice means with scalping plays. Someone so early, now the regret. Man, I should've held, yeah, we all say that. Long one micro, keep it tight. Trail that stop, protect the night. $5 green and 30 more. We ain't greedy, we've been here before. I'm just stacking little base hits. Small wins, losses, that's it. MQ pick you out, then it dips quick. In reverses, yeah, that's that trick. We don't go big, we survive this. Funded accounts, yeah, we thrive, kid. Slow and steady, that's the mindset. Just stacking up these base hits. Yeah, just stacking up these base hits. 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 Let my daughter date him. What? That's the weirdest compliment I ever got. Got bears outside, got chickens too. Tryna trade futures while they eating food. Yeah. Stack it up, don't blow the account. One bad trade and you tapping out. Patience pays, yeah, that's legit. We ain't gamblers, we just hit and quit. MQ crazy, but we adapt quick. Stop, get sweat, get it, that's that script. Stay alive, that's the real win. Then tomorrow we trade again. Alright, guys. Go base it. We'll take that. Yeah. Okay. We barely got sleep. And keep moving wild with the volume low key. Oil going up, but the Nasdaq too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Yeah. Flag pattern forming, kinda looks clean. 5 green candles, and you know what I mean. Trying to catch a move, but I'm staying patient. Chat talking while saying our financial statements. Yeah, missed the entry by a tick. Pain. Almost got filled again. Set the stop, bring it up, break even. Market take this, market teasing. I'm just stacking little base hits. 36 bucks, don't waste it. MNQ Futures stops in a rip quick. You blink once, man, you miss it. We don't chase highs when we pull back. Paper hands cry, I want that back. Small size gang and we stay lit. Just stacking up these base hits. 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 Got banned on X cause the Chuck Norris clips. Didn't know they get me hit with the blitz. Now I'm sitting here like what I do wrong, while the market keeps singing its song. Chat talking about cop deed and trades. Life advice means with scalping plays. Someone so early, now the regret. Man, I should've held, yeah, we all say that. Long one micro, keep it tight. Trail that stop, protect the night. $5 green and 30 more. We ain't greedy, we've been here before. I'm just stacking little base hits. Small wins, losses, that's it. MQ pick you out, then it dips quick. In reverses, yeah, that's that trick. We don't go big, we survive this. Funded accounts, yeah, we thrive, kid. Slow and steady, that's the mindset. Just stacking up these base hits. Yeah, just stacking up these base hits. 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 Let my daughter date him. What? That's the weirdest compliment I ever got. Got bears outside, got chickens too. Tryna trade futures while they eating food. Yeah. Stack it up, don't blow the account. One bad trade and you tapping out. Patience pays, yeah, that's legit. We ain't gamblers, we just hit and quit. MQ crazy, but we adapt quick. Stop, get sweat, get it, that's that script. Stay alive, that's the real win. Then tomorrow we trade again.
Check. There we go. We should be working all good now. Hey, Noi, Jane, Lafta, Kyle. Good evening, everybody. How you doing? And Capybara in the house. Just trying to get everything working here. Yeah, it's so weird. I restarted my computer and then like none of my passwords were saved, or I don't know what was going on, but nothing seemed to be connecting properly. But it seems like I got everything going now, so just gonna pop into the vertical stream here and make sure that we pin the comment there live. Hey Krista, how are you? Hola. Hi. Okay, live. Get over here, grab the Discord link. For some reason, Discord doesn't want to log in either here. Hey, Jose's in the house. Howdy, partner. Howdy, partner. Oleg is in the house. Hey, how you doing? Yeah, what is going on with this Discord now? Discord won't connect either. I don't know what was going on here, guys. I restarted my computer and then like it wouldn't let me. It's like it forgot everything. Like I couldn't connect to any of my Trade accounts. My bookmap was logged out. Everything was logged out. I couldn't sign into Trade on TradingView. I'm like, what is going on here? Oh, hey, happy birthday, Lafta. And it's your birthday weekend. Yeah, congrats, man. Fasil's in the house. What's up? Oh my god, I need access to the Discord. What is going on here? Okay, that's weird. Hey, Tim. Good luck. Good luck. Hey, Krista. You're in the vertical stream. Welcome, welcome. How are you doing? I know I cursed it. What did I curse? The Discord? I know. You must have cursed the Discord. I don't know what is going on here. It won't let me. It won't let me log in for some reason. Gonna have to try to end it with the Taskmaster. Let's see if that'll fix this thing, man. What the? Angia, good morning. How are you? You're in a short 29,916 holding possible 200 points. Really, Sharpie? Wow. Hey, Savage Princess, how you doing? you're in the vertical stream there. If you want to pop on over to the full size stream, there's a pinned comment there, which would connect you. Sharpie, be careful, man. I'm thinking it's I think we're pretty bullish here, guys. Pretty bullish. I've been like messing around with my computer for literally like the last 30 minutes here, just trying to get everything to work properly, and it doesn't. Browser work for you? Yeah, maybe I need to log in to Discord via the browser first. Let me see if I can't go to Discord through the browser. I think I can usually log in, yes, with the... Discord on my phone is totally fine. Scan QR code. Okay, well, worst case scenario, there we go. I'm logged in on the browser, so at least I can access it like that. Okay. All right, let's okay. Yeah, it's so weird. I tried to log into Tradeovate and it was telling me to put in information, like it was the first time I've logged in. I'm like, what is going wrong here? Jeez, man. This computer. Okay, sorry guys. My stop is 3 points, not worried at all. Okay, yeah, of course. What's up, guys? Hit that MFing thumbs up. Oh, thanks, Keith. Pull back to the 15-minute fair value gap. Do we climb from here now? Let's see. I haven't really looked at the markets at all here, guys. Yeah, we kind of tapped that 15-minute barely. Probably gonna might get a little more pullback here, but I mean, we're so bullish. I don't know, pretty hard to say. Like, look at all these flat bottoms on the 15 minutes here. That's called like the devil's mark, isn't it? Oh, it's not perfectly flat on that one, but this one here has like a 15-minute flat bottom. Whew. Where are you looking to short this to, Sharpie? 29,916, eh? Oh, you're in at 916. 200 points. 716. Ooh, that's quite the move. I mean, there is a gap. We might want to fill the gap at some point, but I think we're going to have to wait for some bad news about that. And it looks like we got buyers below holding us up here on the chart. So, okay, so I do need to grab the Discord link. Like to server copy, because I wanted to pin that over on the mainstream. Just throwing up a poll here in the regular stream there, guys. Feel free to pop a response in there as we see how everybody's doing on the day. We're kind of far from the gap. Might swing for 30K first. Yeah, I'm pretty bullish. I don't necessarily think we're gonna go to the gap, right? The gap will not fill on bad news. Only will fill once they say Iran deal is done. Gotcha. Well, if they say it's done, doesn't that mean we're just gonna probably keep going higher? Whoever, yeah, this looks like a nice little pump here out of that 15. Touch the top of that 15-minute fair value gap barely, right at the 900 level, and we're up already 36 points there. Can you put the heat map on the vertical? Yeah, sure. I can do that. Let's see here. Let's remove this. Stop screen. Share screen. There it is. There we go. There we go. Called sell the news event. Oh yeah, I know what you mean. Sell the news. Nice little pump there though, guys. Looks like we're going to the 950s right away here. We got 64 contracts there at 950. Not much space to go. If we get above that, I mean, whew, we're definitely going to 30,000, guys. Yeah. Let's see here. 47% green, 12% red, and 41% flat so far. 17 votes. Thanks for putting in there. Financial blitz. I'm gonna be the first 30K seller. Oh, really? I don't know. I just can't be a seller when we're in this kind of a market, right? Like, I would rather just be patient, wait for a pullback. I mean, you're welcome to do like whatever you want to do, and don't take my, my humble advice on that, because maybe you got a insight on some things that I don't, right? But often when we get so bullish, it's kind of like the euphoria kicks in, and the market becomes like insane in the fact that it doesn't respect any tops. It just keeps going, right? Selling to close. Nice. Yeah. Then sent thumbs up for 10 joules. Really? What's that? Thumbs up for 10 joules? That's weird. How come that comment didn't come through on my... You were down 250, but now at $12? Oh, okay. Done for now. Okay, nice job, Adam. Hey, Sachin Edits. How are you? Gadgets in the house. M Brown, hey, what's up? Yeah, for some reason I don't see CD Zen's comment there. It didn't come up on my main, on my CD Zen. Say something else in the chat, please, if you can. Just because for some reason it didn't show up in the StreamYard comment section. It's so weird because it should be in there. Let me just double check that you're not like... Yeah, weird. I can't even highlight your message for some reason here. Okay, I see you there. So maybe because you sent a thumbs up for 10 joules, Did you like do like some special thumbs up or something? I don't even know about this. Trading games in the house. I think you didn't see my message as well last week. I sent 2 times. What is that? Did you do like some sort of a gem thumbs up? Because on the stream here it says CDZen sent thumbs up for 10 joules. Okay, so maybe it's because you sent it, but you and Mr. Mustang never answered my question. Huh. I think emoji doesn't work. I see your emojis there, Limix. Sorry, Angie, I apologize if I did miss your message. What did you say? I'd love to answer you now. I don't know. YouTube gave me jewels, so just sending them. Okay, thank you. Okay, so what I saw there was just YouTube telling me that you sent the jewels. Okay, that's why it didn't show up in StreamYard. Because I thought your message was sent thumbs up for 10 joules with a thumbs up, green thumbs up, and I was like, huh, okay. So that's kind of like hype joules, I guess. Like, I don't even know what that is. So that was weird. The orders kind of came off at 950, then they came back on. Now we're like squeezed between orders here between 29,935 and 29,950.
Mustang trader, trade like an adult. Yeah.
Oh geez, sorry guys, sorry about the music on the vertical stream there. I guess I adjusted that higher or lower, and it was so high there. Jeez, must have been blasting your guys' eardrums off. Sorry about that. So many things to manage here. So it hypes your channel. It's all new to me. Yeah, I wasn't sure. It was just a thumbs up I sent, no message with it. Gotcha. Yeah, it's weird though. It just sent me like, it just said that, you know, you sent a thumbs up for 10 joules. So maybe it's rewarding you. Hey, Donna H in the house. What's up? No, it's fine. I don't mind. Last week I said I got a big problem. I had a free 150K Lightning funded account, but never traded 150K before. I wasn't knowing what to start, when to start, how to start. You know, I would just, you know, recommend. I did see that comment. Sorry, I didn't answer it. I saw it a little bit later. I think I was pretty stressed out at that point. You know, I think that was when I was in that trade where I nearly blew all 5 of my TPT evaluation accounts. So I apologize if I didn't respond, but it's probably for that reason. If anybody was there on the stream on Friday, I like took some serious heat on all 5 of my take profit trader evals. I was down between 1250 and 1500 in one trade with 6 micros, and my overall bias was bullish. You know, I had a key level that I thought was going to hold, and it ended up holding. Luckily, I got out break even. Oh my god. Oh my god. 78 people, 74 people watching. You know, Kyle, that's probably the largest I've been in a trade in a long time. I'm usually, you know, like I'll enter with 2. I might like add 1 or add 2. So like maybe like 3 or 4 micros. And that day I went 2, I added 2, and I added 2, and I was like 6. And then the freaking the news came out, and I didn't see that news was coming out, and it just dropped like a rock. So instantly I was down like $600-700. And then I just kind of like, I just was like trying to wait for a bounce, and yeah, eventually it came. But yeah. Yeah, I almost lost 5 accounts, Angia, but I got out break even. So I think that's why I probably wasn't answering any questions, because I was just like sitting in the chair sweating, you know, trying to survive survive the trade. So apologize if I didn't answer you, because that's probably why though. But yeah, Angie, I would trade it like I would just trade it like you normally do. You know, keep the size down. You have a ton more drawdown, and just, you know, until you build up some more buffer, then you can think about sizing up a bit again. You know, maybe start trading with 5 to 10 micros maximum as you start building the buffer, right? So I haven't traded anything yet today, CDs in. I'm flat right now. I didn't have a chance to get to the charts until we just set up the stream here. So I actually went golfing today, guys. Got out, hit the golf course. Didn't play that great, but had some really nice shots. So it was kind of a mixed bag. And then, you know, like I said, I got home, I dealt with the chickens, dealt with the dogs in the afternoon, and then started setting up the stream. And then I was having all these problems with my computer. So everything seems to be working good now. Even all of my buttons on my command pad here, they all disappeared. And I'm like, what is going on here? Like, I don't get it. And then I had to update my break even +2. Hopefully this is gonna work. I haven't even tested it yet. So Ralph's doing all right. He's having a tough time right now with this. He's got a skin infection, like a bacterial skin infection, and he's been on antibiotics now for a couple months for that now, or a month at least for that now. And I don't think it's not working. So I had to take him into the vet, and we got a culture done. So they're gonna test which antibiotic is best for this type of bacteria, because whatever this current antibiotic isn't working. So yeah, I shot exactly 100. Usually I shot 92 in my last couple rounds, but today I shot 100 exactly. So so it's kind of sad when my last 2 rounds were both 92s there at the same course, and then this one I kind of, you know, made some. My putting was just off today, basically. If my putting was on, it would have been a whole different story. I couldn't hit any. My putts just weren't sinking today. So, all right, we just took the 50s there. Jeez, man. Oh, this is on the 50-minute chart still. And we left a 5-minute bullish for value gap here. Oh yeah, I kind of want to take a trade just to see if we can, if I can get this. If I can get this break-even thing to work. Try to get in there. 1 micro on this push here. And it doesn't look like I'm going to get it. I got to cancel these orders though. It's going to pull back here probably. We're getting up to the second standard deviation there.
Trade like an adult, don't move reckless. Base hit slap, get a growth stay endless. VWAP hold, we don't guess this. FVG fill them, we press it. NQR, but we stay composed. ES cleaner, yeah, everybody knows that high, that lows. No stress, risk management. Yeah, reading the greens can be tricky sometimes. I can't miss. Sometimes there's a lip on the hole. Yeah. It looks like it wants to keep going there. Hey, like we're at 972. Like we're gonna be at 30,000. What are we gonna do at 30,000? I guess we're gonna try to trade it higher.
Gonna have to get a pullback here at some point to be able to try to get into an entry. I don't really want to just like chase it up there.
Yeah. Everybody got a system. Everybody got a story.
Pull back to 950 would be nice. Yeah, I agree. We do have a bullish fair value gap right at 950, and that's that nice round number. Look at this high volume candle though. Hey guys, like this is like pretty high volume on this last candle here. And we got a buy ball there. Oh, where did it go? There was a buy ball there. All the way up to the second +2 standard deviation on the VWAP. So we're gonna pretty much got to look for pullbacks into the fair value gaps for an entry on the continuation. So does it pull back at 30,000 or launch even higher? That's a good question. We'll have to see how it reacts when it gets up there. You know, probably like whenever we have big chunks of orders like that, we usually get like a 10-15 point pullback before it continues. But you know, your guess is as good as mine at this point. Pull back to 950 would be nice. Yeah. Oh, sorry, I read that earlier, Sharpie. QCOM calls gonna print on open Tuesday. Yeah, I was actually looking up QCOM over the weekend there. I keep a training horn in your car, especially for golfers. I like that. No, I like it. That's awesome. Got a new candle here, and it comes out starting green right away, but no volume yet on this 3-minute candle. No STFU, not, you don't have to fill the form again. The form is, whoever has filled the form, you're good to go for tonight's giveaway. So for the holiday tomorrow, will the market be open in the AM? Yes, it will. It'll be a short day. Expect the volume to be low though, and it won't like, it's not like a real New York session capital slug. So just keep in mind that we're pretty low on we'll be low on volume. So
yeah, everybody got a system. Everybody got a story. But the market, they don't care who you think.
Hopefully I can get a chance to test out this break even +2 here. Just get a little pop here, guys. I'm only really taking this trade so I can test this out. Hopefully I don't got to cut it at a loser. Just one micro here, long 29,971. Might be chasing too much though. Where are these buyers at? Come on. So 72. So I need 74-ish for that to work. Nothing feels quite as good as a 50-yard chip in. Yeah, it does feel nice, doesn't it? Might have to just cut this guy. Every move mapped out from before. Kill zones here, sessions there, but my P&L like, you sure you care? Yeah, I was hitting my irons pretty nice today. Some nice long, 150, 160 yarders at like throwing a dart on the green. What's better, 10 micros or 1 NQ? I like 10 micros just because you can scale in and out then, right? If you're in with one mini, you can just, that's it, right? You're in and out one mini, that's it. I mean, the fees are a little bit better. Yeah, exactly. Take half off, you can even scale in. If you're only trading one mini, there's kind of no point. If you're trading up to like 3 or 4 minis, then maybe it makes sense to like go with a mini instead, but Come on, give us a little pop here. I want to test this break even +2 button.
Trade your own story.
Here we go. Pop it. Pop it. I need to see 74, 75, and then I'm going to try this break even button here. So come on, give us a little more. 73, 74, 75. I need 75 something. And then I'll hit this break even button. I'm just trying to test this out, guys. So don't necessarily follow this trade because it's pretty risky up here. I should be waiting for a pullback, but I literally just want to test this. Make sure that this button is working properly here. Come on, here we go. There we go. Yeah, see, it's not working. I don't know what's wrong there. Okay, so stop limit. Paste. Sell. Okay, well, at least I got a stop limit in there now. Up about 20 bucks here on one micro and 5 accounts. Okay, I'm going to try to take it off up here, actually. There we go. Boom, we're out. Locked into quick $20 scalp there across all 5 TPT accounts, $24.50. I'm not looking to hang on forever right now with those orders up at 30,000. Hard to say what's going to happen here. Probably going to get a deep pullback at some point here. Market's still open today or close very soon? No, it stays open, Angia. It'll be open all the way until tomorrow. It'll be... No, I don't want to hold to 30,000. Nope. I don't trust it. There could be a big iceberg order up there. Some big baller looking to sell a ton of contracts, right? Camfluence, you're going to short around 3,009. Okay, well, just make sure you keep a tight stop. You know, the market's going to be crazy and it's just it won't stop possibly, right? You know, like it's just how it does. I'm like, it's not, you know, I'm not trying to like give you financial advice or suggest, but just keep in mind that quite often when we make all-time highs, we just keep making new all-time highs, right? So yeah, 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, but it's going to be a bank holiday, so the volume will be really low, right? Yeah, watch it go straight to 31K. It might keep going, man. It might just keep going. And if you try to get in front of this thing right now, like it's not a good idea, right? I would, to be honest, like we should be looking for pullbacks and going long. Maybe just be patient for a deeper pullback and wait to see it get some support and then start hitting longs, right? How fast do you think MU can get to 1,000? I'm in some crazy 1,000 June calls. You got them Thursday, Friday? BB Bandsbeal. BB Bandsbeal. I like that name. MU. Good question. Money Mitch, haha, the market can stay irrational longer than you can stay solid. Exactly. That's what I was trying to say that earlier, but you know, like I was like, the market will be crazy and just keep being crazy. I couldn't think of that though, but yeah, it's irrational is the word I was looking for. And you know, when we're at all-time highs, like really, you know, just looking for shorts is going to be detrimental to your account. Not to say you can't find some good shorts, because there will be pullbacks, right? Because it's just normal there's pullbacks, but when it's you know, when it's bullish, you just don't know how long the pullback's going to be. So your trade rate's not letting you trade. It's locked up. I shut it down and restarted it. It's still locked up. Did you hit the manual lock button, Tim? Like, did you accidentally manually lock it out? No likes, no giveaway? Yeah. We got 130 people right now. Holy smokes. Welcome, everybody. 125 people in YouTube, 5 in X. Good evening. Good evening. We got 6 people in the vertical stream. 11 a.m. until futures? Yes. So for the holiday tomorrow, will the market be open in the AM? Yes, capital. At this point, I would wait for 30K for a short, but I don't think it will last. Everything's too bullish. Yeah, exactly. So if you're going to go short, just be aggressive, guys. Like if you're like really enjoying or really liking a short with the pullback, just be aggressive with your stop and just make sure you lock it in, because when the market is like this, we're typically just going to continue going higher, right? Man, I got that short from $200, but I didn't get any of that 70-point pump right there. Damn. Nice job. Hey, Skeletor's in the house. Thank you for the like. Trading game, LOL. I always say so. No likes, no giveaway. My trade of 8 is trading personal account at Tim Cord. Yeah, mine. I just took those trades on the five contracts there. So my break even +2 button did not work. I don't know what is going wrong here.
But if you risk too much, it'll humble you. Seen the hype build up, seen the fall back quick. From this is the way to man, this ain't it. So I keep it simple, I keep it tight. One clean trade, I sleep at night. Yeah, I heard the legend, heard the lore. Every move mapped out from before. Kill zones here, sessions there, but my P&L like, you sure you care? Drawing liquidity, cool, I get that. But drawdown hit, where the lesson at? Wait for the model.
Okay, let me try to update this. Let's see here. Cancel. Edit this guy. Edit template. Ticker, exit, stop, time now, true, all, stop, amount, 2. Save. You shorted oil for $200? Nice green trade. Hey, good job, Skeletor. Yeah, if you're going to look to short anything, probably oil is the one to do it right now with the way that we're being so bullish, right? Oh, yeah, oil's down there, down at 92, 91.40. 91.40. Rob Miller, hey, Dave, do you think it's doable, a double top? Yeah, I mean, this is a double top, but that doesn't necessarily mean that we're like the pump is over. You know what I mean? I mean, depends on what time frame you're looking at too. Like the 3 looks like it. The 2 and the 3 kind of look like a double top. If you go to the 5 minutes, kind of like we got an indecision doji, sort of a gravestone doji, or it's a little bit on the bottom side. So it shows a little bit of weakness at this area, but we still haven't taken those orders at 30,000. I feel like we're going to get there at some point. So, looking for a pullback here, maybe into the 50s would be nice. We do have that unmitigated fair value gap. But then the other thing I was looking at is on the 15-minute chart. Where was it? Oh, that's way down here at 811. So at some point, we should be at least getting to 30K or 30, slightly above 30K, but we'll have to see, right? What double top? 990? That's all time high. Yeah, 990. Well, if you look at, I'm just saying at the 3 minute here, we got these equal bodies, basically equal bodies here, up at 981. I mean, I don't know the exact rules on double top, but that kind of looks like a double top to me. Because if we go, if we look back in time, we're like in a, we're expanding well past the previous all-time high, which was down here at like 970 or something from a few days before. Is it right here? 29,784. Sorry. Yeah, I'll be streaming. I think Nick will be on. I'm not 100% sure. Just be careful, guys, if you're gonna trade tomorrow, because it's a bank holiday, right? So volume will be lower. So price action will might be a little choppy compared to like normal, or slow anyways, which could be kind of a good thing. But yeah, just keep in mind that it'll be low volume tomorrow, without the banks and the hedge funds trading and everything, right? So I'm just gonna grab a hot water, guys. I will be back in a few moments here.
Everybody got a system. Everybody got a story. But the market, it don't care who you think you are. They sell dreams and them candles. Say it's all control. Smart money, this, that, but who really knows? I seen traders chase ghosts till their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. Be-wet my anchor, keep my mind at ease. FVG feel I move when I see. No fairy tales, just risk I control. In a world full of stories, I trade. He said liquidity grab, yeah, I heard that line. Every wick is set up, if you got enough time. But I seen good men lose trying to read them signs. While the market kept moving like it's blind to design. Talking about they hunt your stops like it's all a game. Like some shadow in the dark really knows your name. I ain't saying it's fake, I ain't saying it's true. But if you risk too much, it'll humble you. Seen the hype build up, seen the fall back quick. From this is the way to man, this ain't it. So I keep it simple, I keep it tight. One clean trade, I sleep at night. Yeah, I heard the legend, heard the lore. Every move mapped out from before. Kill zones here, sessions there. But my P&L like, you sure you care? Drawing liquidity cool, I get that. But drawdown hit, where the lesson at? Wait for the model, trust the play. Meanwhile, rent still due next day's is. I ain't here to hate, I'm just keeping it real. If it works for you, then go get your deal. But I seen too many stuck in the script while the market flipped and they couldn't adapt quick. Ain't no guru gonna trade your hand. Ain't no system gonna make you a man. It's discipline, patience, loss you accept. It's the trade you skip, it's the risk your dreams and them candles. Say it's all control, smart money, this, that, but who really knows? I seen traders chase ghosts till their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. Be-wet my anchor, keep my mind at ease. FVG feel I move when I see. No fairy tales, just risk I control. In a world full of stories, I trade my own. No shortcuts, no magic formula, just you and the chart.
Trade your own story.
Yeah. Everybody got a system. Everybody got a story. But the market, it don't care who you think you are. They sell dreams and them candles. Say it's all control, smart money, this, that, but who really knows? I seen traders chase ghosts till their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. Be-wet my anchor, keep my mind at ease. FVG feel I move when I see. No fairy tales, just risk I control. In a world full of stories, I trade. He said liquidity grab, yeah, I heard that line. Every wick is set up, if you got enough time. But I seen good men lose trying to read them signs. While the market kept moving like it's blind to design. Talking about they hunt your stops like it's all a game. Like some shadow in the dark really knows your name. I ain't saying it's fake, I ain't saying it's true. But if you risk too much, it'll humble you. Seen the hype build up, seen the fall back quick. From this is the way to man, this ain't it. So I keep it simple, I keep it tight. One clean trade, I sleep at night. Yeah, I I heard the legend, heard the lore. Every move mapped out from before. Kill zones here, sessions there, but my P&L like, you sure you care? Drawing liquidity, cool, I get that. But drawdown hit, where the lesson at? Wait for the model, trust the play. Meanwhile, rent still due next day's ease. I ain't here to hate, I'm just keeping it real. If it works for you, then go get your deal. But I seen too many stuck in the script while the market flipped and they couldn't adapt quick. Ain't no guru gonna trade your hand. Ain't no system gonna make you a man. It's discipline, patience, loss you accept. It's the trade you skip, it's the risk your dreams and them candles. Say it's all control, smart money, this, that, but who really knows? I seen traders chase ghosts till their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. You at my anchor, keep my mind at ease. FVG feel I move when I see. No fairy tales, just risk I control. In a world full of stories, I trade my own. No shortcuts, no magic formula, just you and the chart.
Trade your own story.
Yeah. Everybody got a system. Everybody got a story. But the market, they don't care who you think you are. They sell dreams and them candles. Say it's all control, smart money, this, that, but who really knows? I seen traders chase ghosts till their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. Be wet my anchor, keep my mind at ease. FVG feel I move when I see. No fairy tales, just risk I control. In a world full of stories, I trade my own. He said liquidity grab, yeah I heard that line. Every wick is set up, if you got enough time. But I seen good men lose trying to read them signs. While the market kept moving like it's blind to design. Talking about they hunt your stops like it's all a game. Like some shadow in the dark really knows your name. I ain't saying it's fake, I ain't saying it's true. But if you risk too much, it'll humble you. Seen the hype build up, seen the fall back quick. From this is the way to man, this ain't it. So I keep it simple, I keep it tight. One clean trade, I sleep at night. Yeah, I heard the legend, heard the lore. Every move mapped out from before. Kill zones here, sessions there, but my P&L like, you sure you care? Drawing liquidity, cool, I get that. But drawdown hit, where the lesson at? Wait for the model, trust the play. Meanwhile, rent still due next day's ease. I ain't here to hate, I'm just keeping it real. If it works for you, then go get your deal. But I seen too many stuck in the script while the market flipped and they couldn't adapt quick. Ain't no guru gonna trade your hand. Ain't no system gonna make you a man. It's discipline, patience, loss you accept. It's the trade you skip, it's the risk your dreams and them candles. Say it's all control.
What did I miss? We're getting that pullback to 50s now? A hot water? Yeah. How would you compare tonight's volume versus holiday Monday? Well, I mean, if we just go back to the, this is a previous New York session here, right? Look how big these candles are. These volume sticks over here, pretty minimal, right? So pretty low. I mean, it's not like we can't get in and out of trades still. We're not trading full in the market, right? So it's not like you can't get in and out. Like if you're a big trader, you might be concerned about that. But hey, Lilish Borker in the house. What's up, buddy? Vertical move up. Isn't this deal fake? I don't know. I don't think it's fake. I think they want to pump it higher because of the news, right? Axiom Capital. I like the name. It's often said that the ultra wealthy that control the markets will be in the Hamptons for the holidays. Where do the ultra wealthy go for the holidays in your neck of the woods? Well, and we're in Canada, so we probably go, downtown Vancouver or downtown Toronto. Those are the two places that the wealthy people like to go. Okay, we are getting a pullback here into the 50s area. I'm not going to hop in this, guys, right away because this might end up being a deeper pullback, maybe down into the 925s. So let's just keep an eye here on this fair value gap. If it starts looking like it's going to hold, or if it starts bouncing like on the next candle out or something, maybe we can think about taking a long back towards the highs. But I wouldn't rush into this too quick. Lone Wolf in the house. What up? How's the scent work going? How's my little panda?
Rhythm hitters, yeah. Back when the tape deck click with the static sound. Dreams felt bigger when the block stayed underground. Notebook packed full of plans and ambition. Cold nights, warm beats. Survival was the mission. Chess moves, not checkers when the pressure came around. Built from the pavement where the hungry hold it down. No chain talk, no flex, just work in the booth. Trying to turn hard lessons into something called truth. Raise it up for the ones still chasing. Dust on the
Last week completely ruined my sleep schedule. Used to sleep late and wake up super late. Okay. And what, you've been doing the opposite? We are getting a little bit of a bounce here off of, what did we hit there? 953.50. Not that convinced though. Let's see till we get over this. If we can get a close above this 9 EMA here. See if the buyers are still back in. Got a minute and a half left here. So I actually decided to have a tea, and I haven't had dinner yet, guys, so I apologize, but I'm gonna have to eat on stream again. Oh, sorry about that. We were watching the U.S. market PM session. U.S. market gives one big move before the close, always. Yeah, that's true. You're going to give the Linux a couple weeks and it might give up on Windows forever? It's pretty nice. Oh, interesting. That's cool. Yo, Jim Blob, what's up, buddy? Not really getting any momentum here past the 9 EMA. Whoa, 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 whoa. CVD's climbing a bit here. So let's just think about this here for a sec. If this is a channel, which it could be like this. Linux is very fast, but you need Windows because some tools only work on Windows. Okay. Yeah, Lilish knows what's going on. I did get in one micro here. Let's see if we can't get a little bit of a push. I'm going to try this break-even button again if we can get back above I'm at 67.25, so 69.70 area. Yeah, see, it's not working again here for some reason. Okay, I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. I'm gonna have to figure out how to fix that. Linux has zero bloat and efficient use of CPU and mem. Okay. Gotta hold this 9 EMA, or else I'm not gonna be wanting to be in this thing anymore. Looks like some buyers trying to hold it there for a moment. Man, that's silly break-even button, man. What is going on with that thing? MKC in the house, 1995. What's up, buddy? Bull channel flag? Yeah, it is a bull channel flag, technically. Here's a flagpole, and then we're channeling down. Are we going to break out to the top side? Yeah, at some point. Just how far are we going to pull back? I kind of want to get out of this trade, but we'll see. We'll see if we get a little pump here or not. I'm going to put a stop, get rid of stop limit to pop it in there. 68.75. Just need a little bit of a pop here still. Come on, get above 70. Get us above 70 here, boys.
Another Sunday in the books. Base hit secured.
Why are we getting a pop here? Are we just going to be going sideways now? I figured we were at least going to get back to this 75 or sort of at least to the top of this channel, but this might be getting rejected here. Keeping it small, keeping it tight. Well, I'm up about $24, so I do have a little bit of house money to play with here. As long as we don't get some Trump news to slap us way lower. Jim Blab in the chat, having fun. Feels like a bigger pullback is coming? Yeah, probably. I can agree with that. All right, here we go. Getting a little pump here. $71.75. Come on, pop it up over 75 here. Let's go, boys. Let's go. You're gonna go break even anyways, though. Come on, let's keep pumping here. Get us up to the 75s here. Little pump, little pump. Come on. Okay, move my stop up here. All right, I got out there. Another $10 in 5 accounts. $10 doesn't seem like much, but when it's across 5 accounts, that's $50. Dave, I'm getting good short base hits tonight. You're taking short trades? Yeah. It could be the 30K pump. Yes. You never know. Hey, we're up to 50 likes already, guys. Thank you for that. Appreciate the support.
And remember, chat, gold is heavy, oil slippery, net gas explosive. And if you full port MNQ,
I mean, we got 135 people watching. We should probably be able to hit 100 today, right? If we can hit 100 likes, we will definitely get that giveaway going. 7 people in the vertical stream there. If you're in the vertical stream and you want to come hang out with everybody else and be part of the other side where we got... Oh, no. Not this thing again. That's annoying.
another Sunday in the books. Base hit secured. Stops respected. Boner candles printed. This one's
Yeah, just hit the pinned... there's a pinned comment there in the chat if you want to come join us on the other side. So, learn, enjoy, relax. I'm new to the channel. I trade cryptocurrency mostly. I enjoy the channel so far, trying to learn traditional markets. Hey, if you can trade crypto, you move over to futures. Futures is going to be pretty easy transition. Just the volatility in crypto is pretty wild. So if you can handle the volatility in crypto, futures markets should be pretty easy for you. But welcome to the channel. Learn, enjoy, relax. If you see there's a pinned comment there in the comment section, that is a link to the Discord. If you head over to the Discord, there's a giveaway form in the giveaway channel. Just hit the channel, go into the giveaway form, fill that out, and you'll be entered in for a 25K Lucid evaluation account, Lucid Flex evaluation account. That could be your entry into trading futures. It's a free giveaway. You just got to fill out the form on the Discord, and we'll be doing the giveaway later tonight. Once we get to 100 likes, we're halfway there. Hey, CD and Sathish B, welcome. Found this out today. They didn't tell you Microsoft just activated the post May 20th. Interesting. Did I hear giveaway? Yeah, Adam. Tonight's the night, buddy. All right, so we have, I'm going to check out the poll here and end it here pretty quick. 82 votes, guys. So quite a few votes. Thank you for everybody who hit that. We got 54% green, 20% red, and 27% flat. So awesome to hear. Hopefully you guys are, looking for longs, because I think that's the way to go. But thanks for all the votes there. 82, 83. Somebody just got in there too. Oh, some more votes. 84 votes. Nice. 55% green, 19 red, and 26% flat. So hey, green, red, flat. Thanks for the honesty. I appreciate you guys. I'm gonna end the poll now, though. Thanks for that. Crude bounce for a short. I can't really say, but just because I mean the way it's looking, yeah. I mean it's probably going to be a short continuation, right? But hey, Dad, you're an X. You got to head over to YouTube. So one of the very few X comments we ever get, and it's from my dad. He's in X and not in YouTube, so you just got to go to YouTube, Dad, and then search for the channel from there. So why did you take long trade a little while ago? We found support here in this fair value gap, WFO, and then because we didn't get a very strong candle there, I was waiting for us to get a closure above the 9 EMA, and then I basically entered on the 9 EMA there, and then I kind of was just patient for a little bit of a push, and I got out on that candle up there. I just see this channel here now. Whether or not we're going to break out here or we're just going to head back down, I don't know, hard to say. This could be the breakout point. We got those orders up at, I'm just overall bias is bullish too, right? Because, we have good news about the war ending. They're coming to an agreement idea. And if you take a look at the book map, we have, 216 contracts up there at 30,000. So pretty likely we're going to get there at some point today. We might need to get a deeper pullback before we rip up there. But yeah, we'll have to see. M. Brown, do I have to fill in the form again today? No, if you filled it out one time, you're good to go. You're already entered. So you don't have to worry. It's the same form. We've been using the same form for every Sunday. Hey, Denny's, welcome. Like. Yes, thanks, Kyle. Appreciate the support, buddy. We're up at about 67 likes so far. We got 118 people watching, plus 6 people in X, 6 people in the vertical stream. People in the vertical stream just enjoying that book map there. Let's change up these tunes here. Let's go with some more generic music, I think. Maybe let's do... Can you explain how you use heat mat? Zoomane. Sure. What happened to my TV here? Sorry, one sec. Oh, it just went to sleep. Yeah, so book map, right? As you can see here, so this little line here, these green and red lines are just the buyers and sellers as they're doing their thing, buying and selling. But typically what we're doing is we're looking for these big red lines here, and these lines are kind of like where the orders are. So as you can see below, there's not really much going on. There is some, we got some just popped on there at 29,945. If you just saw that live, about 100 or so contracts just popped on right there. 100 more than that were already there. So typically you're going to find that these red lines, these the area with more contracts, typically are sort of the draw on liquidity. So in other words, the market is efficient and it likes to fill the orders. So when there's a bunch of orders sitting there, it's going to draw the market to those orders. It's not 100% true, but so how I like to use it is I will build my bias off of the trading view chart. So I'll look, are we above the VWAP? Are we trending bullish on the 15-minute or the higher time frames? Do we have targets above, maybe fair value gaps above or below? just make your general bias from that. And then you look at the book map after that and you confirm, okay, well, since I'm bullish and I see there's, contracts above, then I want to try to trade the price to those contracts. Now, figuring out when you're going to go in long and everything, that's obviously part of the game or part of the strategy. So, you'll be looking for certain prices for whatever your, strategy is. But this is just like a nice added confluence to your trades, right? So if you're thinking long and you see there's mostly orders above, price is typically going to go to those orders. Vertical is for traders using standing desk. Yeah. No, it's just, I think people in the vertical stream, if they want to watch that, it's just because they are on their trading view chart or something. They don't have book map, and then they can see, where the orders are on the book map, right? So hey, Gary LP3 in the house. Yeah, of course. You're welcome. Chinese food. Yesterday I picked up some Chinese food, and then I have leftovers for today. So hey, 127 people in the channel, 7 in X and 7 in the vertical stream. How's the likes going here? 69 likes. We're gonna hit 100 in no time, guys. Then once we do that, we will think about getting that. We got to hit that target, then we'll do the giveaway at some point, right? Looks like we got a few subscribers too. We're at 1,270 something on the subscribers. So thank you to anyone who's new. I think I started with 1,262, and now we're at 1,272. So 10 new subscribers. Hey, thank you. Welcome to the channel, everyone who's new. 953 is a good entry. Yeah, it seems like it, right? Growing and growing. Hey, Jane, thank you. My NVIDIA calls are going to print this week. Hey, Justin, yeah. Good luck with that. I hope they do. I love to see when people are making money. I haven't logged into my TradeZella today. I don't know if you guys saw how I ended the week last week on my dashboard. So we'll load that guy up. We'll set it to the month. I did get a couple trades today, so let's just update that real quick. How do you participate in the giveaway, Lucky? If you've already filled out the form in the giveaway channel in the Discord, you're already in the giveaway. Kung Pao chicken, General Tso, bourbon chicken, orange chicken. Actually, I got lemon chicken today. I have like pork fried rice, beef with mixed vegetables, and lemon chicken. I hope it doesn't annoy you guys that I end up eating on stream. It's just unfortunate that this is kind of like the only time that I get a chance to eat my dinner. So I'd rather like hang out and have dinner at the same time, so I don't have to be off stream or something. So here's my month so far. It's been a killer month, guys. Mostly this is majority of these are all in eval accounts. I got 5, 6, 7, 8 evals going right now. So ma'am looks delicious. I'm eating pizza, but you can't see me. All right, M will. Yeah, so I ended up 786 there on Friday. So, hey, Gary LP3 is a form in the, yeah, if you go in the giveaway section, just scroll up from there and you should be able to find it. So, but look at that, guys. I made 786 with 22 trades and it was a 54% win rate. That was a pretty bad win rate day, hey? Jeez. Tony LaRose. Tony with an I. Nice. Yeah, look at that though. 54.55% win rate. Somehow I ended up coming out green though on the day. I caught a pretty killer, I think it was pretty good trade at the end of the session there. Yeah. 418 in one eval, and then I caught another two $116 winners. As we were getting that nice pop at the end of the session there. So 10 trades today, 165 bucks, 100% win rate. Let's keep it like that way, eh? No market, it bothers me. Why aren't you sharing? I'm too hungry. Oh, okay. Sorry about that. Sorry, Savage Princess. So yeah, so pretty solid win rate here across the board here. 71%, 81, and 52%, but I came out on top somehow. 100% win rate. 43 trades with 100% win rate this day on Wednesday. 69%, 90% with 61 trades on this day. Keep in mind that the number of trades is a little skewed. It's not like I took one trade and I sold it and that's one trade, you know, because like I'm copy trading 5 at a time sometimes. And then other times it's like 2 accounts. And then if you add in, you know, if you enter with 1 and you add in again, that'll make it a second trade. And then when you sell it, it ends up being 4 trades kind of idea. So it's not exactly 61 trades. You got to break it down. 80% here, 60, 74, 94% on this Wednesday with $1,000. Yeah, but mostly between 70 and 100%. Yeah, and 5K here on this Tuesday. That was a banger day. I think I had 2 accounts that I made $12.50 in them. But yeah, pretty happy so far. Just got to keep these going, and then hopefully get a bunch more funded accounts. So I got 2 Lucid funded accounts. I have 1 Top 1 Futures funded accounts right now. So I only have 3 funded accounts, but I'm working on 8 evals right now, trying to get them all funded. Thank you, Gary LP3. Right now, I'm only copying 3 or 5 accounts at once through the command pad here. But then if I go to my Trade of 8 chart on the side here, I'll usually hit these the trio here, and then that'll have my other 3 evaluation accounts copy traded. And then you know, I just got the 1 account with Top 1 Futures, and then my Lucid funded accounts I haven't even traded yet. They're still at 50%. So if you trade mostly micros, look at your P&L. Thanks for being so transparent. By the way, you must not be trading more than 5 or 6 micros per trade. I know you copy trade as well. Yeah, basically, I'm usually trying to keep the trade size down to like 2 to 4 micros, right? Just small little base hits here. At some point, you know, once you build more buffer, then I'll start sizing up a little bit more. But just slow and steady, trying to pass those accounts. I am getting a little close to the end of the month with my take profit trader accounts though, so getting a little bit of pressure on those guys. So I might have to split those up and individually try to pass them towards the end of the month here, towards the end of the week. Tomorrow night when Kospi opens might be a banger. Okay, yeah. That's true. That's true. MKC 1995 with at Kyle Shiles. I'll try to do that, and Nightbot gets me. Really? I don't have Nightbot here. Are we gonna break out here? How did March look? March was okay. March was March 14.9k here. Pretty good. See, still lots of small. These ones were a lot of smaller winning days, mostly like 100s, 200s, couple thousands here and there. This was also a lot of evals though. Those are the ones that I got past to funded accounts. So just trying to build up the funded accounts. With that one trade copier you use, can you copy multiple different firms at the same time? Yes. Yes. Yeah, March was pretty good. April, only 3,000. I did take a couple big losers in April. Lots of small winning days, mostly $100 here, there. And then I did have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 red days. And one was like 2,300 red and 1,000 red. So there you go. This is my April anyway. So a couple bigger losing days here. Kind of a bit of a tilt day, I would say. 60% win rate, but ended up losing $2,000 there. Yeah, they add up for sure. It's because I'm part robotic and it respects me. Part robot, sorry. For some reason, I called you Mark, trying to say market. I don't even feel like correcting it anymore. Okay. It auto-corrected you from market to Mark. Let's get these. Let's just go with Angia's the theme song here. The electric guitar song. All right, we didn't get a closure outside of the top of the channel there, so I'd be waiting for it to take long if we're going to get that kind of situation. So. My dad's having trouble finding the stream, so I had to send him the link there real quick. Barely got on the charts. What's your opinion on the gap? Doesn't look like it wants to fill it soon. Yeah, I mean, I don't think we're going to fill the gap. You know, lately in this market, even when we've left gaps below, we haven't gone to fill those gaps, right? It's just too bullish at the moment. So if it was a gap, if we opened up lower, I would think we're going to probably fill the gap. But I just noticed it in the last, month or so. Anytime that we've had a gap below, like from a gap up, we haven't really gone to fill it. So, hey, there's Dad. Made it. Dad's in the chat. W's in the chat for my dad. Everybody. What indicator on TradingView is giving you the fair value gap? Oh, that's go into your indicator tab there and search for IFVG. And that's by Nephew Sam. Oh, look at all the W's coming through for my dad. Thanks, guys. Thank you, guys. Hey, King365, what's up? We'll fill the gap when Trump announces Iran said no deal. Yeah, exactly right, GLaDOS. Yo, Jim Blob, how do you make that W? You got like a little up arrow. That's like a special character W. I like that 2 U's there, Kyle. Yeah, very unique, very unique. Double U's. You know Kyle's a funny guy, right? Okay, and I looked away here. We are pushing up here now. Think we're gonna head to those 3,000s. I kind of want to see a retest though, so we're probably gonna break out, come back and retest, and then go higher. But you touch button and hold. Let me see. I want to try to do it. Oh, it doesn't work for me. Or is that it? Is because you're on like an iPad or a phone or something? I don't really have any fair value gaps here. Oh, we did leave a fair value gap on the 2-minute. Well, it's not really a valid fair value gap yet because we need to wait for this second candle to close. Maybe a 1-minute there coming up. I don't really like to trade those lower time frame fair value gaps though. Oh, iPhone. Yeah, gotcha. MKC was in a trade. Did I miss the ducks? Nope, not yet. Not yet. We're at 81 likes though, guys, so we're getting there. See all the W's in the chat there, Dad? Everyone gave you some W's in the chat there. We got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 W's in the chat for Dad. Thank you, guys. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Oh, E has a lot hit. 25. It's still going, still going. W's in the chat for Dad. Thank you. Desired target on NQ is the source of all suffering. Yeah. T for keeps. T for keeps. Hey, welcome to the stream. I don't recognize your name. Noise in the house again. Throwing out the double V. Geez, they're putting a take profit trader like advertisement on my channel, right? I don't know if you guys see that above the chat. There's a take profit trader advertisement, and I've applied like 5 times to take profit trader to try to get a discount code with them, and they keep rejecting me. I think it's because I'm just a little too small still, right? We're only at like 1,270 something subscribers. So T for keeps. Okay. Hey, thank you for the sub. Appreciate that. Love the support. Welcome to the channel. Join the community. We have a link to the Discord there if you want to get in on the giveaway tonight. We're giving away a 25K Lucid Flex eval. So just hit the pinned comment there in the comment section. That'll take you to the Discord. Once you get in the Discord, head over to the giveaway channel. In the giveaway channel, there's a form. You just got to fill it out, and you'll be entered in for tonight's Sunday giveaway and next Sunday's giveaway. I do have to submit to Lucid, hopefully, to get a few more accounts to give away. We can keep this Sunday giveaway thing going on. It would be nice. So why the 3-minute time frame? I typically like to trade on the 3 and the 5, just because, you know, I'll flip around through it to see when the fair value gaps are showing up on those levels. But, you know, I just don't really trust the 1 and the 2-minute fair value gaps. So I just found that the 3 and the 5 are typically a little bit better, more trustworthy fair value gaps. So Kyle's hitting the likes. So many thumbs up. Getting a few more people popping into the Discord, it sounds like. 911 Lucky, T for Keeps, Jollymon, and Foot. All new to the Discord there. So pretty impressive with the Discord. It's been growing pretty nicely. We got 57 people online right now. And then we have 214 people offline. So that's like 271 people, which is pretty good for nice organic growth there. Lucky, if you're in the Discord and the giveaway channel, just scroll up. It's a pinned comment at the top. So lots of people have been talking. If you go to the very top there, you'll see the form. Just click on that Google Doc, fill out the form. There's only a couple rules with the form, guys, for the Sunday giveaway. Is one, you got to be in the stream when we do the giveaway, right, to accept it. 2 is you got to be in a country that allows you to trade with Lucid. And 3 is you just can't win 2 Sundays in a row, right? So if you win it this week, you can't win it next week. We won't take your name out of the list or anything, but you just won't be able to win it the next week, and then, you know, so on and so forth. What the? You love otters? So cute. Where's otters? Huh? What's up, bro? Otters are definitely cute. Okay, so we did get that. Oh, I'm looking away here. This could have been an entry on this pullback in the 68s here. Right on the 9 EMA plus this 3-minute fair value gap. Damn. Damn. We gonna get another chance here or what? How you doing, buddy? $62 is a better entry than that. I am waiting. Yeah, I think so too. It is better to be patient. 62, you have one of your indicators down there at the 62 level. We do have the active point of control here. Let's go back to the start of the trading session here. Make it all visible. We got the point of control is actually down at 915. The active point of control. Which also has this devil's claw, devil's mark, I think they call it. Down here at 915. No, that was 811. Where's the 915? Oh, it's right there. So there, never mind, that isn't a devil's claw or devil's mark. Sorry. 915 might actually be a really good entry. No, SVJ, if you've already filled out the form on the Discord, you'll be entered in tonight's giveaway. You only got to fill it out once, and then you'll be entered for all of the giveaways going forward. We're at 86 likes, guys. We're getting close, about 14 away. Yeah, if you go in the Discord channel, the giveaway channel, it's a pinned comment in the top of that channel. Yeah, please always helps. Yeah. Please hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you very much. Yeah, just pop into the giveaway channel in the Discord, scroll all the way to the top. It's a pinned comment there. That's the form that you need to fill out. Once you fill that out, once we hit 100 likes, we'll start working on getting out the duplicates. And then anyone who doesn't know, throughout the week on Tuesday morning and Tuesday night and Thursday morning and Thursday night in the live streams, we're running one duck race each day there, just to give an extra entry to the winner. So I have a few people that have 2 entries into the giveaway and one person with 3 entries. Who's that? Somebody in the chat here knows who has 3 entries. But she works hard and deserves it. So I'm just trying to give everybody a little bit, appreciation for showing up every day and supporting the channel. So like button for luck and extra points profits this week. Yeah, I can agree with that. You got Phil's at 62.75. Did you get it? Filled, I guess you meant to say. Phil's works though too. Ralph, hey, stop it. This guy, every time he drinks water, he starts licking his feet. I usually give you a like on the TV. Can't find how here. Just double tap the screen, Dad. Just like double tap right on the screen on your phone, on the stream, like on the image of the stream, and that'll give it a like. Even us cat lovers. I volunteered at a cat shelter in Maple Ridge for around 2 years. But you know, I like cats. You know, I've had cats multiple times throughout my life. My dad has cats. I do like cats, but I've just always been more of a dog guy. You know, if I'm gonna have one pet, it's probably gonna be a dog, right? And that's just a personal preference. Not that I have anything against cats. I just don't have that much time to have multiple animals. The funny thing is, there's a neighborhood cat. I'm pretty like secluded up here, but there's a cat that comes from like the neighbor's house, and he's like, I think he's been hunting all the mice and the rats and stuff. He's always out and about around in the yard. Worried that he's gonna get the chickens one day though. Because if anyone who's new to the stream is, I'm on an acreage up in Mission, British Columbia. It's about 1 hour outside of Vancouver, British Columbia. I have about 38 chickens and a whole bunch of garden beds. So that's kind of a little hobby thing that I'm doing here. I sell the eggs out of the egg stand right at the front of the property. And yeah. But my normal job is a real estate agent. So I work as a real estate agent. The market's pretty tough. So what did I do? I decided to get into trading futures and running a YouTube channel. And that was about 9 months ago now. So are you short or long, Black? Hey, Black. No, I'm flat right now. I took a long earlier, but I'm currently flat. I took 2 longs actually earlier. Medi, hey, how you doing, bud? Medi MNQ in the house. You're in the vertical stream. If you want to join us over on the full size stream, just hit that pinned comment there. That'll bring you over to the full size stream. We got 141 people watching right now, 134 YouTube, 7 in X, and we got 4 people in the vertical stream. The vertical stream is mostly there just to, like, if you guys only want to see the book map, and or if it want to funnel you over to the full size stream. So welcome everybody. Looks like we just crossed the 80 mark on 1,280 subscribers. 1,281 subscribers. Thank you, everybody. And how we got 91. We only need 8 more likes, and then I'll have to start working on this form. Make sure we get everybody's names in there. I gotta like export it. I usually export it into like a PDF style. Then I upload that to ChatGPT. I get it to funnel out any of the duplicates, and then add in the people who won the extra races, and then I use that to plug it into the duck race. So, Lady Sika, I'm actually was excited to see your stream. Thank you. It doesn't have to do with the giveaway, does it? Is it because of the giveaway? Tell me the truth. You can be honest. It's okay. $9.90 TP. Good job, Sharpie. I feel ya. Oh, okay. Thank you. Not at all. I cared for a couple dozen hens, but never had a rooster in the mix. Yeah, I mean, you don't need a rooster. The rooster's just good because it's a protector, right? And unless you want fertile eggs, and then you can hatch them, but... Oh, thank you. You know, I honestly, truly enjoy hanging out with you guys. So that's probably why my energy is good. It's because I just, you know, I enjoy hanging out with you guys, honestly. Or else I wouldn't be having such a good time. Oh, you like balloons? Most people probably don't know what a balut is. You guys know what a balut is? A balut is basically like when you hatch an egg and you get it to a certain age and then you stop it from growing. And so it's like a little like partially formed chick. and it's sort of a delicacy for Asian countries. Yeah, no thanks to Blue. I don't eat it either. It's not my thing, but supposedly it's a delicacy for some people. But yeah, it's not my thing. Yummy Noi. Oh yeah, Noi, you're from an Asian country, aren't you? Balut, yuck. Yeah. Yeah, Filipino, pretty good. Yeah, so I mean, if you started eating those like as a young kid, like it's probably like a bit of a treat, right? But for the most of the North America people, we're probably gonna be like, ew, that's gross, right? It's very popular in Guam where you live. Okay, yeah. Do I have any more animals, Gadget? Yeah, I have a French bulldog. I have a Great Pyrenees. I have 38 chickens, and I have 1 quail left. At one point, I had 300 quails, but it was hard to sell quail eggs because, again, North American people, which is mainly the demographic out here, don't like quail eggs because, you know, they look weird. They look like painted eggs, right? So I was having trouble selling them, and a lot of them went bad. I ended up feeding a lot of those eggs to the chickens. So, and then we just kind of like scaled down from the quails and just upscaled in the chickens. Oh, I love quail eggs. No, really. Like chicken eggs actually give me a little bit of like, sort of like stomach pains on occasions, like bloating or something. But the quail eggs, oh, they're so creamy, and they have actually more nutrients in them and stuff. Like if you look at them, they're actually a healthier egg. But they're a lot of work, right? Like I used to cook like 15 at a time, which is about an equivalent to like 4 chicken eggs, right? I would have this like pan full of like sunny side up quail eggs. Hey, 4 more likes and we're gonna get on that giveaway form. Dude, we got 170 responses in the giveaway form, guys. $171. Pretty savage. Hey, Randy Trades in the house. What's up? What's next? Ostrich eggs? No. I was thinking about getting like some ducks would be cool. But then you got to have like a pool and stuff for them. It's just a whole lot of other work. And, you know, so it just makes sense to just stick with the chickens for me. But I play slow. If you want to get in on the giveaway, you got to hit the pinned comment there in the chat. And then that'll take you to the Discord. Head over to the giveaway channel. Once you're in there, just scroll to the top. The pinned comment section has a little link to a giveaway form. Fill out the form and you'll be entered into it. So, are you being serious, Global Summary? Gopher milk? Really? I didn't even know that was a thing, to be honest. How's Asian session been treating you? I'm down 600, sadly. Oh, damn. I hope you weren't trying to short this thing. Yeah, you know, I've been doing okay on Asia. I'm not like making a ton of money in Asia, a little bit here and there. So, SG Films 2024. Sorry to hear that you're down though. Market's kind of slow right now, I'd say. Pretty much going sideways. We're building up for a move here. We're probably building up to go up to the 30,000s. Not financial advice. definitely trade your own trade, but this is just kind of my general bias right now. Not a guarantee that I'm right, but you never know. More likes, less doubles. Cheater is going to cheat. At least it's not 100 watching and 300 in the forum. Yeah. Yes, I do compost my chicken guano. I have a three-stage compost area, and then I just load it up and put it in the garden. So, oh, you're just kidding? Okay, I was wondering. There's Angia. Hi to you. Hey, Dad said hi to Angia. Gopher, interesting. You got everybody wondering what's Gopher. What am I doing? This isn't Market Butcher chicken tips. Yes, I trade New York. I trade live Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time with my good friend Nick. He's also known as Mustang Trader. He usually starts to stream around 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you guys are on early, you can hop in there. I usually get in about 15 minutes, roughly 15 minutes before the market open. It makes good cheese. Yeah, guinea pig milk too. Why not just push to 30K and dump NQ in 1 hour plus? I know, right? It's got to build up the volatility here. It's probably going to have to do a sweep first, right? It's probably going to sweep something and then rip through those orders. We have 265 contracts above there. People drink donkey and camel milk. Yeah. Yeah, there's futures tomorrow, but it's not a regular New York session, SV Junior. It'll be like a bank holiday session. It'll be open and it'll close early, like at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I think. And expect lower volume. Could be some chop. I'll be live regardless tomorrow. I never understood how humans drinking cow milk and think drinking human milk is weird as an adult. So what do you mean, Paul? You think people think it's okay for to drink like breast milk when you're an adult? I just never knew that. I thought that like breast milk isn't the most tasty stuff. Not from experience, but I heard that. Cambodian breast milk is fire. Oh, one of your friends travels to Mexico to buy on-the-spot warm goat milk, chocolate milk. Still haven't tried it myself, though. Nice. Why cow's milk is okay? It's because it's a mammal and it tastes good. Yeah, I'm lactose intolerant too, Paul. So I totally get you. I drink oat milk now. Breast milk tastes like sugar water? Okay, hey, good to know. That sounds pretty good. $105 likes. SG Films, not saying I did or anything, but I've heard breast milk is infinitely better than normal milk. Okay, yeah. We'll take your word for it, don't worry. Okay, it sounds like we hit the target here. So I'll give you guys a couple minutes here to get the form filled out. What time do we got here? I'm going to let you guys till 9:35. If you're new to the channel and you haven't filled out the form, just hit the pinned comment section there, the pinned comment in the comment section. That'll take you to the Discord. Head over to the giveaway channel. The pinned comment in the top of the giveaway channel in the Discord has a link to a form. Fill that form out and you'll be entered into the giveaway. Dave has so many people in the chat, I couldn't find you either. Camel milk is used to make chocolate. Those who eat chocolate know how camel milk tastes. Are you serious, Lilish? Are you giving us a hard time, man? I don't know. I don't know if you guys are just pulling my legs or what. We are not supposed to drink milk as an adult. Yes, technically we're not, right? But milk is in everything, man. You know, like you know. Okay, we're getting that pullback here, guys. 915. I think it was 915 that I was looking at for a nice support area. Right, Paul, because we don't need calcium after the age of 30. Yeah, that's true. Oh man, breast milk, fish orange, eyes wide open. So if you fill the form out once and you never have to do it again, correct. I might recycle the form again after we do next week's Sunday giveaway just to restart it. But maybe not. We'll see. I haven't decided that part. Just because I'm going to try to get some more accounts to give away. I only have 2 accounts left, so one for tonight and then one for next Sunday. But I am able to request more accounts from Lucid. Hopefully they'll hook me up, and then you guys will get hooked up. You're back to your 62 entry and then bounced there. Bounced off the 59, hey? I was kind of hoping we're going to get at least down to the 50s or down, even down to the 15 area. Speaking of 15 here, I'm actually going to go put an order down there just in case we get some sort of a big move. So I'm going to put an order there. If we do for some reason, get a big wicking push down to the 915 area. So here's what I'm thinking. If I were to go long anywhere up here, or even at the 50s, right? Where would I want to put my stop? I would probably be putting my stop near this low over here. So anywhere between, 900 to 915. So that being said, instead of entering up here and putting my stop down there, let's put a possible entry down there, especially because I'm going to be busy playing with the form here in a minute, and see if we can get an entry if they try to stop people out before they rip to the 30,000. Might not happen, but just while I'm going to be busy here working on this form, I will do that for now. But you have to admit, being an adult, competing against a baby for lactating teat is a cakewalk. Yeah. Wish Lilish isn't wrong. When I went to Dubai, there was a camel milk chocolate everywhere. It's actually really good. Okay, well, I mean, what's wrong with that, right? It's probably good. Do you London, New York will make bearish tomorrow? It's hard for me to be bearish at all right now, SV Junior. I just think, I'm probably going to keep a long bias until we get shown something that makes me start to lean bearish, right? So milk has vitamin B12, so keep drinking milk. Good for traders. All right, nice. Economic pulse. God told me Israelites that the promised land was flowing with milk and honey, so milk for adults too. Okay. Well, I can't eat my tricks dry. Yeah, that's a cereal, right? Nice. I think I broke the Discord link. It won't load for me. Did you do the pinned comment? Like the one in the pinned comment there? Let me see. I'll link you another one in the chat here. And then we're going to be doing that giveaway. I'll give you guys just another minute here to get in that form. We're already past the 5 minutes that I was talking about. Do you know why I keep saying 29,962? Is that one of your key levels? It can be a quiz to everyone. 962. Is it because we keep holding support on these guys here? Because all the wicks down here, maybe? Got to guess first. I love how we're talking about milk like it's a week's hot topic. Hey, anything goes on this channel as long as it's, you know, respectful to people. Yo, Jim Blob with a bowl of milk. Yeah, it keeps popping up invalid. I don't know. It's like Google won't load my Discord app. Gotcha. I always think that when we're all adults rooting for duck races. Yeah, that's funny too, right? It's repeatable every hour. Oh, it's like an hourly candle or something. I never did like milk. At age 72, I still hate it. My mother used to mix up that powdered crap. Oh yeah. We were 5 kids living off welfare. Yeah, that's powdered milk is not the way to go. Stress management. Just go directly to the Discord and go to his channel. Yeah, I did link the I'll paste it one more time there in the chat. Hopefully that one works. Let me just click on it here. Yeah, it worked for me. So try right-clicking the link and then open it with a different, a different browser. Sometimes there's a browser block. If you're actually 72, I respect the fact that you know how to use YouTube better than my mother, who's 45. Nice. Got it on the iPhone. I don't know. Chrome was messing me up. Yeah, I think sometimes it's Chrome, right? Your mom's 45. You must be a young guy then. Is it? If your mom's 45, that means you're like, what, 20? Or under 20? I know, like, your mom's younger than I am. You guys never saw the stream. I think some of you may have saw it, but we were all guessing how old I was. And then we ran the questionnaire to see what people thought how old I was. So okay, I'm gonna start working on that form here. So if you get missed, I apologize, but I do have to get this giveaway going. Everybody's patiently waiting here, so just making sure. We got 176 entries. I'd have to export it. Export it in a different form. Download in PDF. Export. Okay. Then we'll head over to duplicate. Check results. Okay, looks like we got a couple more people. Very last second here, so I'll download it one more time. and then we'll upload that before I hit enter. So I want to hear what Sharpie had to say here. If you use a repeatable strat, this can help you for entry into previous hour close level. Okay, gotcha. Very nice. Well, it's quite the list, everybody. It's quite the list. Rod, Angia, Jane, Lilish, Lady Sika, Branett, Wayne, SV Jr., Trade in Motion, Rosenfeld, J, Global Summary, Noi, Tony, Beef Fled, Bone Collector, Yo Jim Blob, Black Go, Gokyo, Andrew P, Vigo, Baldwin, Roy Stewart, Trevor, Guranda Gaming, Web3, Noblesse, Carol, Tuckus, and Aniket, Lucas, Wesley NQ, George, Topplefiddle, ForceFed, Tim Core, NQ Man, Adam, Ola, Adam Daz, Ola, Facile Crypto, Cryptid Crow, Agent 88, Trading Game, Economic Pulse, No Life, Paul Izquierdo, Oleg, STFU, ICDA, TTC, Brick 8863, Wrong Trade, Kyodongo, The Business Lens, Harrison, I Am Candle Trump, Miss K911, The Loyalist, The Burn Trader, The 1 Minute Millionaire, Avi 7087, Trades by Shazad Guy, Candle King Trader, the Trader's Nest, Pactoon Trades, Profit Ticks, Scalp Million, Puente, Chris, Heavy D, Drew, The Cool Kids, Judah, Mid-Century, Jamal, Vikram, 44 The Punisher, Kyle Shals, Trade with Vegela, Medi NQ, Donna, Lemex, Richard, Peter Hartman, Hero Crypto, Augie, Poor Guy, G Futures, IROP, Sahil, AC Lass 88, AJ's, Stack Dubs, LWM, SGM, Gary Trades, Jerry Trades, Jatin Salvi, Fritchie, Josh, Kier, Rashid, Tajer, Vexa, Alex Mate, Aaron, Muhammad, the Titan Investor, looks like Indian text guy, Devra Malik, Ind Gamers, Daniel Lokareki, Trio, Le Prince, Satai Singh, Naveen, Shrikri, Abate, Addy, Profit Factor, Trade with Taj, Gadgets, Mid-Mad, Dokala, M. Brown, Darren, J.K. Graham, Appy, Og Trader, Davi Madri, Kanan, Smart Risk, Nikes, Horcrux, it's Tanjil Hamid, Namu, Ishwar, Dimash, Public, Bro 313, Baharda, use code RIPS. Use code RIPS. Britt Martini, FN Trades, Bryn Wynyard, Keith Matthews, Mandeep Trades, Simone Roda, M2, GLaDOS, Richard, Satish, CD Zen, Lucky, Gary, GC, Average, Luck, El Kai, Sister, T for Keeps, Penchies, Charles Joy, Yasa Baby, I Play Slow, Martinez, NG Gaming, Yochi Hop 811, The Jolly Balls, Rocket Fuel, Wesley, Medi, Angia, Yojim, Blob, GLaDOS. What a list. Okay, let's do it. I think everybody's in there. That's a long list. So, what did I miss? Gave my duck a pinch of METH. Whoa. Does anyone have a French Mastiff? Yeah, my brother does. We're about to do the duck race now. Paul? What's your name, Paul? Maybe you missed it. I'm pretty sure you're in there. P4V, Paul V. Yeah, we got you. It's in there. Sorry, I must have not read it clear, but you'll be in there. Okay, let me get to this duck race here. We got to get to this, the special duck race that was given to me. Names, edit list. I need booster on my duck. Yeah. Dave, how do we join? Savage Princess. Did you not fill out the form on the Discord? If you didn't hear, if I didn't say your name, then you probably. Oh my God, what's happening here? What's happening? We're going. Oh, I can't chase this now. I was too distracted. Unicorn? Yeah, so every Sunday we do the giveaway, Savage Princess, and it's through the Discord channel. You just have to fill it out one time. So if you head over there, what I can do is I'll send you the link right now. Oh, I think I messed that up here. There you go. Okay, so, but did you go to the Discord? Because you got to fill out the one that's in the Discord in the giveaway channel. If you just filled out the form in the live stream, then you wouldn't have got entered for the giveaway. Because I don't remember seeing Savage Princess on the list. Yeah, I don't see you on the list. I have 9 accounts and I'm too scared to trade anyways. Oh my god, really? Okay, so you don't want me to wait for you to enter? Because I'll give you the last little chance here. Someone else will benefit from the free account? Okay, sounds good. Thanks for that. Very nice of you. Okay, let's see here. We got the list. Done. So we'll do it 136 for some reason. I don't know why, but we'll set that. And we'll go to full screen here. Let me just quickly remove the banner. And we will... Oh no, the shuffle button is... Does that work? Okay, good. I like to shuffle it a couple times just so you guys know I didn't set it up a special way for anybody. All right. And we're off. Good luck, good luck. Oh, look at Angia. One of Angia's entries up here, pushing up to the front. Just so you guys know, in the front is not a good place to be. Paul, oh, Paul, you're up in the front there. CD Zen there. Lucky 007, GLaDOS. Pactoon Trades. Carol, Carul. Bone Collector. SV Jr. there. I am Candle Trump. T for Keeps. 007. JK Graham. Cryptid Crow. Lots of people in the back you can't see. JMO. Richard Dowdy. There's my dad, guys. There's our Indian buddy with Indian text. Don't know what your name is, so we'll just call you Indian buddy. Oleg, Nike's Bond, and Ola E66. Trade with Taj, Smart Risk Trading Hubs, Scalp Million, 34 seconds here. We're usually going to get a little bit of a stop loss hit right around the 18-second mark, so keep an eye on that. There we go, Josh NQ. Okay, 18 seconds there. People falling back. Now wait for somebody to rush from the back to win here. Somebody from the back of the pack is going to win, probably. Stack Dubs. Slowly falling back. Here we go. Who's coming up here? It's Kyle Shells. Kyle Shells or Heavy D? Heavy D! Heavy D, are you in the chat, or are we going to have to run this back? I don't remember seeing you in the chat tonight. Usually Heavy D says something. I don't see his name. His name's not coming up in the chat. I don't know. I don't think he's here, unfortunately. Yeah, there's a lot of people, Martinez, so there's a good chance that you were just in the back and you can't be seen here. Yeah, Martinez, you are on the list. I just double checked. Jason. Yeah, we'll give him here another 30 seconds or so. I just don't want the people to feel like they got left out, but just double check here. Let's see. No, we'll run it back. Trader in Motion is second. Kyle Shals is third. You mean third place wins though, right, Kyle? I think why not create a new list just for those who's here? Well, I mean, it doesn't matter. Like if they're not here, right? I can just remove them from the race, right? And then re-roll it. So it kind of defeats the whole purpose. It's too hard for me to make a whole new list, right? And I want to keep the involvement in the Discord, everything, and everyone. You know, this has just been the way that I set it up. So yes, there's a bunch of extra entries. We have Rocket Fuel, Wesley, NQ, Medi, Yojim, Vlad, and GLaDOS all have a second duck, and then Angia has 2 extra ducks. Gary LP. Yep, you're on the list. Lock fungal? Lock fungal? What happens if almost 40 times because 170 entries and 130 viewers? Well, let's hope it doesn't take that long. Okay, we're gonna go again here because we didn't get any response from Heavy D. Sorry, buddy. Race again here. So we removed Heavy D out of the race here. Let's just give it a little shuffle here, and it's fun anyways. The duck races are fun, right? So and we're off. We can shorten these duck races. If we get to like 5 without a winner, we'll start shortening the duck race. Wayne up front, Oleg up front. Hey, there's a Donald Trump. What is it? The Loyalist Ledger. Scalp Million, Appy, the Trader's Nest, Puenta, Kyodongo, Richard Dowdy. It's Tangia Hamid, El Kaya Sisters, Judah, Abati, AJ's, The Business Lens, Patoon Trades, M2 Equanimity, The Trader's Nest, Lady Sika, look at that popping up, Richard Dowdy, NQ Man, B Flu, G Futures Trader, I am Candle Trump, Miss K 911, Brick 863, Penchies. Oh, stop losses hit hard. Some of those bro 313 got rejected there. M Brown still holding strong here. 10 seconds left. Is this gonna be one where the leader stays the win? Oh, stop loss hit. Sorry, bro. Yazza baby 13. Yazza baby 13. Oh, I don't see him in the chat. Okay, 30 seconds. We'll do 30 seconds here. Oh, you are? Okay, nice. There you go. Awesome. Congratulations, Yazzie Baby. We got the second race is over and Yazzie Baby won. Okay, so Yazzie Baby, in the Discord, just say something in the general channel, the general chat. Just say like hi in the general chat, and then I'll reach out to you through there, and then I'll send you the code. Congratulations. Congrats. Yeah, so just pop into the Discord, shoot me, or just say something in the general chat in the lounge, the general chat, and then I'll send you a message, and then that's where I will send you the discount thing. I gotta verify. You gotta verify that I'm a human. Identify everything students might bring with them to school. Those, I guess. I just sent you a message there, Yazzie. Just get back to me when you can, please. Just the one mid-century. I don't have that many accounts to give away, so I'm just doing one a week right now. Dave, what other platforms are you live streaming on? I stream live on X and YouTube, but you're in the vertical stream, and I do like a regular stream also, Savage Princess, with, you know, mostly everybody's in that one. It shows trading view and the book map. You're just in like the vertical stream where it's just the book map and me right now. They can have one of yours? MKC when the Ducks decide? Yeah. Oh, perfect. You're in the States. Awesome. Okay, I'm gonna get you the code right now. So how you do it is you're gonna go here. I'll show you on the stream here. So you're gonna go to Lucid Trading here. You're gonna select the Lucid Flex, hit the 25 account, select the platform. You'll select the platform, and then once you get to the payment tab where it asks for a discount code, that's where you're gonna enter this code that I'm about to send you here in a sec. And you'll get it'll turn it to like a $0 price. Once you've done that, please maybe take a screenshot and send it over, or let me know when you've activated the account. Make sure it works. Okay. Affiliate area. Coupons. Discord. Okay, there you go. There's the code. Yeah, just let me know once you do that. Okay. Be kind to the Ducks, guys. Now Ducks decide our destiny. Right? Hey, you're welcome very much. And looks like we did make a slight new all-time high there, guys. Slight new. Sharpie, did your TP get hit there? I think you're targeting 90s or something, right? That looks like you might have just got tapped in right there. So definitely fill out the giveaway form again, everybody. If you're here, you'll be entered for the next Sunday giveaway. Nice job, Sharpie. Nice job. Look at that. Beautiful trade, buddy. Nice patience, too. Okay, well, we popped into those orders in the 90s. We pulled back here a little bit. We've still got the 30,000s as a potential target here, but wonder how deep of a pullback we're going to end up getting here. Oh, you got it? It worked. Congratulations. Very cool, very cool. Congrats. Look like you're an Apple user, hey? So Yazzie, after you pass that, you got to post in the Discord and let us know. And then after you get it to a funded and you get a payout, you're going to have to let us know. Make sure you keep your size small with those accounts though. You know, 25K, 2 micros max. No rush to pass it, right? You can have it as long as you want. Just keep the size down because you only have $1,000 drawdown, so it's easy to lose those accounts. All hail the Mighty Ducks. Get that bag, right? Oh, that's an interesting image there. I've never traded 25K before, but it would be fun. Yeah, Lucid is a great platform. Yeah. Yeah, just keep in mind that there's only 1,000 drawdown, right? So it's pretty easy to lose that if you're oversized, right? So but congratulations. And yeah, I'm gonna have to put in another request here to Lucid probably tomorrow or sometime this week, and then hopefully we can get some more accounts, and then we just keep this Sunday giveaway going keep going forward with it. We've kind of been on the same music for quite a while here. Let's get some more pumped up music here. Here's a little AI music that I made. And this one all has all the names in the chat. You usually trade about 5 micros, but I'll size down to 1 or 2 for this account. Yeah, that's definitely a way to go because 5 micros, you can lose $1,000 really fast with 5 micros, right? I know I've lost a few of the 25Ks. I personally like 50Ks, but hey, you can't go wrong with a free account, and hopefully it turns into a good one for you. Lawrence Welk. Charles Jolly, but profit target is only 1250, so that is a nice part. Yeah, it is. It's almost a 1-to-1. Yes, I am on Suno Martinez. So I wasn't here when you did the age guess. Really bad. This 5 micro site. Are you 42 or younger? I guess I'll have to guess. Okay, let's do it. We'll do a quick poll here. I know some of you guys know my age, so if you guys know my age, maybe don't get involved in the poll because then you're gonna like give it away, right? If everyone starts clicking my actual age, right? Remember, it won't be exact. I'm not gonna put my exact age, but if you guess the one that's closest, it'll be good. There we go. We got the poll going, guys. If you're new to the channel and you don't know the answer, you can check it out right there. Come on, be nice to me, guys. Be nice, please. 953 years old. Martinez says 30. Oh, thank you. That's the lowest number that I put on the guess. Looks like we're getting mostly 35s right now. You guys are pretty good. Yazzie said 45. He's like max 34. You would have said 29. Well, just pick 30 then. Wrong trade, Jim. Just round it to the nearest number. My guess was 42. Sorry, that's why I asked the way I did. Yeah, no, it's all good. It's all good. He's one of the old guards. 35 max, says Savage Prince. Damn, take that account back from Yazzie. Well, Yazzie said 34 max. So we got oh no, we got 32% saying 45, guys. What the heck? Do I really look that old? Oh my god. So I'm older than Warren. I'm younger than Warren Buffett. Yeah, maybe. Oh, you guys are so mean, man. You guys are so mean. No, she said 45 question mark. He's like 34 max is what she said. Where are people chatting? Yeah, that's why I said if you hit the pin comments in the comment section there, Savage Princess, you'll join the full size stream. You're all alone. There's only 7 people in the vertical stream right now. So just hit the little pinned comment there, and then that'll bring you over to the full size stream where everybody else is. Yeah, you've been hanging out solo over there. My only commenter, like the whole thing is all you. There she is. There we go. Oh my god. Hi, guys. Oh, hey, it's going up. 35's going up, guys. 35's going up. We got 30, 12%, 35, 38%, 40, 24%, 45, 26%. You felt so lonely? If you have seen the movie with Charlize Theron, yeah. My guess would be 51. And Will, what the heck, man? See, I threw the guilt trip out there and I was like, what the heck? You guys think I'm 45? How dare? Oh my god. And then everybody changed their answer to 35. Welcome to D-Gens Anonymous. Yeah, I like that. We're all D-Gens hanging out, having a good time. Oh, we're heading up to the 30,000s here, guys. Oh, should I be taking a long here or what? It's too late now. too late now. There's only 8 points, and we could just reject here. Let's keep an eye though. If we just blast through the 30K, I mean, we're probably going to go to 30-20 at least. 30K 20. Okay, I'm gonna shut down the poll here in a second, guys. Before the numbers get skewed in a worse direction here. Change to M1. You can enter now. Yeah, the 1 minute time frame. On that little pullback. I just don't know if we're gonna take those orders, right? It's pretty risky now. He's actually 47. Really? Who told you that? No, who told you I'm 47? That's pretty mean. That's definitely older than I am. Okay, I'm gonna end it now, so you guys can't add any more guesses. I like the way it is. It's 36% say 35. 30% says 45. 40 or 22% 40, and 13% say 30. Good job, guys. I appreciate the fun here. One micro can make more money than you would imagine, and the one drive, if it doesn't go as planned, you get the nanny you get to improve. Yes, you do. It's good. Oh yeah, I even offered them. I don't know how to give them away. LOL. I'm too scared to jump in. I trade demos and they're in profit, but can't bring myself to trade evals. Okay. Yeah, just trade one micro. That's all you need. Sorry, talk to text. You get the data you need to. You get the data you need to improve. Oh yeah. So do you guys want to actually know my name, my age, or what? Okay, we'll start a new poll here. Let me know if you want to know my age or not. Oh, we got 30% saying no. We got 3 people that said no to the age thing already. You guys better win if you want to know. You got to get more votes on the yes. How old do your bones feel? Because you can be young and still feel old, LOL. Yeah, I feel young. I feel younger than my age, that's for sure. 19 votes. Okay, we got 68% people want to know the age. 71%. Oh, it looks like I'm not getting out of this. I was hoping that you guys were going to save me and I wouldn't have to disclose my age here. But it doesn't look like I'm going to get that opportunity. I feel young too. I'm still waiting for me to mature. Okay, guys, I guess I better answer. I'm going to end the poll here. We got 72% say yes. Not many people want to protect my age, so I'm going to have to say it. $46. Could you guys hear that? I said it. I said it. $46. 46. 1979. But I still feel like I'm like 35. Thank you, thank you. Same year as you, Noi? Nice. Oh, you want to see my driver's license and my social insurance number? Okay, yeah. No, November 20th, 1979. So, Martinez, you got 3 years on me? Okay. 146, yo, Jim Blob? Yeah. I would be super stoked if I get that age. Oh, you're born in 82? T for keeps? Nice. Yeah, I play video games on occasion too, Paul. Nothing wrong with that. Keeps your mind sharp. Yes, I got to experience. I have like one of the best swings of life for experiencing like cool shit, right? Like I remember back when I was like phoning my friends with the dial phone like that. And then, then I got like the brick cell phone, and then we got pagers and like typing to play video games in DOS. December 18th, 1979. Angel? Nice. You're November 16th, Yazzie. Nice. Gen X invented games, bro. Of course we play games. Yeah, exactly, right? Yes, I'm a Scorpio. I got 4 years on Chris. All right. November 14th, GCX Factor. Nice. You don't look that old. What's the secret? Share your protein brand. I just had a pretty clean life, like I've been very athletic my whole life. I don't drink. I mean, I drink on occasion, but not really. I used to kickbox and train hard for a number of years. Where my friends would go to the nightclub and drink, I was the bartender, and I was a sober guy making money on the other side of the table counter. Yeah, I try to eat healthy foods. Yeah. Okay, I'll do a poll. How many Gen X here? What's your body count in kickboxing? Oh yeah. I think I was about like 14-4. 14 wins, 4 losses. All right, I started a new poll here, guys. How many Gen X are here? So we got Gen X, Millennials, Gen Z, and Boomers. Yeah, so Boomers are 62 to 80 years old. Gen X is 46 to 61 years old. Millennials are 30 to 30 to 45 years old. And Gen Z 14 to 29. I didn't put Gen Z because that's a little too young, but I'm sure there might be a couple in there. Or did I put Gen Z? Yeah, I did put Gen Z. So we do have a few younger folks here, and they're probably in their early 20s. But Gen Alpha is 0 to 13. Are they even born yet, right? '98 is Gen Z, right? It's 97 to 2012 for Gen Zs. Lam Thao's Gen Z, 98. Sharpie shared a nice trading strategy, guys. Check out the Discord chart section. Yeah. Is that the hourly stats?
We trade with discipline. This is market butcher.
NQ hourly strat. Hourly sweep statistics probability engine. This indicator is a powerful statistical tool designed for intraday traders, particularly those focused on session bias patterns and mean reversion strategy. It automatically tracks the previous hour's high, low, and open, and when a sweep of the high low occurs, it instantly displays a historical probability of the price returning to the hourly open within that same hour. The core of this indicator is comprehensive probability model built on the historical price data, providing traders with an objective, data-driven edge. Key concepts. The indicator operates on a simple but effective premise. After the high or low of the previous hourly candle is taken, what is the statistical likelihood that price will revert back to the opening price of the current hourly? Previous hour high, PHH, and previous hour low, PHL. These levels often act as key liquidity zones. A sweep of these levels can signify either a stop run before a reversal or a start of a strong continuation. Return to open. This is a classic mean reversion concept. The indicator quantifies the probability of this event happening based on the exact time of the sweep occurs. Time-based probability. The probability of returning to the open is not static. It changes depending on whether the sweep happens. A sweep in the first 5 minutes of the hourly has a different statistical outcome than a sweep of the last 5 minutes. The indicator accounts for that variance by breaking down the hourly into 12 distinct 5-minute buckets, and so on. I won't read that all to you guys because it'll take forever, but you get the idea. So these people in the Discord, they're smart cookies. So if you guys are looking for some more info, get involved in the community. 78. 78. Patiently waited to see it hit 30,000, right? Yeah, I know, right? For trend following, it's almost perfect and easy to execute. Yeah, I can see that. Statistics are pretty good to trade off of too, right? I thought I was going to sneeze there for a second.
You wanna gamble? Get out. We trade with Get Butcher. Yeah. Charts up. Coffee hot. Candles loaded. Mustang trader in the pre-market. Barking Butcher on the mic. Oil slippery, gold heavy, nat gas explosive. Let's work. MQ dirty, but I love it, let it ride. The session high while the chat decide. Bone a candle print and the bears all hide. Market Butcher gang, keep the dream alive. Oil slippery, don't let it slide. Mustang trader got the levels all aligned. FEG clip.
Gotta love this AI music. It's pretty damn good. Okay, we got 42% Gen X, 34% millennials, 18% Gen Z, and 5% boomers. So pretty good spread there. But mostly 46 to 61 in the chat right now. And second is millennials, which is 81 to 96. So average age 30 to 60 years old. Okay, Dad, have a good night. Sleep well. Okay, I'm off to bed. Us old folks, we're born in 1954, can't keep up, right? Where was that info in Discord? It's in the chart. It's in the chart channel. So go to the chart channel and then you'll see the Sharpie put it in there. I call him Sharpie, but it's sorry guys. ASF Futures? My age is starting to show through here on these yawns, I think. Oh, Ammon. Ammon is his name in Discord anyways. Okay, I'm going to end the poll there. Thank you for that, guys. Nice. Still got 119 people watching right now. 104 in YouTube and 15 in X. Let's see if we can't find another trade here, though. Kind of lots of buyers here, seems like. Holding us above the 9 EMA. Really wanted a pullback, but it doesn't look like we're going to get it. It's just a risk to reward up here just isn't that good to me, you know? Because like even 86 to, you know, to 30,000 is pretty tight, right? AHS Futures, yes. That's right.
Trade like adults. Protect the evil. Respect the stop. And remember.
Close your eyes and sell? Yeah, don't do that.
The candle stands straight up with no pull.
30,034 is your last TP? Nice. ES just made a new high, hey? Oh, wow, yeah. ES is looking pretty bullish, guys. Even more than NQ. Look at that thing. All you need is a Tory tan line here. And you can trade this all day. Look at that thing. Tory tan lines work. Very good. Not financial advice, right? 44th Punisher? Yeah. I mean, at least tell him to close his eyes and buy. He'd be going with trend. Yeah. I don't short all-time highs, guys. You're gonna get like more losses than wins in that way. Okay, Oleg, have a good night. So does that mean we have we don't really have a divergence necessarily yet, because we did make a higher high, but ES is definitely looking more bullish. What's YM doing? Because usually I like to compare to YM. Oh, geez. YM's looking savage, actually. YM had a nice breakout there. What is this? Looks like I have an old... Yeah, it's like an old view up here. I thought you said Tori's tan lines for a second. Yeah, Tori tan line. I did. Imagine entering a 29,740 and finish at 840, one mini. Yeah, you're done. Yeah, exactly. Look at that thing. Anywhere. $20 a point. Well, you could imagine anywhere in the first candle, right? If you just bought it and hold it. Like, look at that thing, man. Let's say 700. 700 to 990. So what, like 200 and let's say 300 points. That's $6,000 on one mini. If the market is an uptrend or downtrend, everything will work. Problem happens when there's no trend and traders use trend trading strategies. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. 100% Lilish. Can't agree with you more. So it was tan line and not trend line? Sweet. I get to avoid hearing tests for now. Right? Yeah, it's just a joke though. You know, it's just, you know, Tori likes her trend lines, but I heard somebody a long time ago say Tori tan line, and I thought it was funny, so I was setting it. Trap line. Well, I'm gonna make another quick AI song here. Well, before we end the stream, we're at 10:40. Does anyone have any like suggestions on the type of genre that you'd want to hear? So throw it out there if you're looking for a certain genre of music or something. I'm gonna plug it in here and try to get AI to make us a new song. '80s rock? Okay. I could use another rock song, and the 80s rock sounds pretty good. Millennials, 90s, and 2000 music. If NQ gets dirty, you might secretly love it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Lilish Borker with the FEG scripts. Oh, damn. I already hit 80s rock. Sorry. I'm heading for a big L on this trade? Can you see my chat? Yeah, I can see your chat, all red. What happened? Who's going for a big L? Good Citizen by Lia May. So good. 90s rock. Nazi about to fly. My guy, you're heading for a big L on this trade. Who is? I'm not in a trade. My trading's been going really good, Craig. Thanks. I'll show you quickly. Show my month here. So up about 15.4K on the month. Pretty green. 2 red days. I lost $1,000 on Monday the 18th. Only took 2 trades today. In 5 accounts. 165 profit on the day. So yeah, it's going good. I'm sharing my screen right now, but I'm not in a trade. Whoever is sharing the screen. But yeah, I'm sharing a screen, but I'm not in a trade right now. I'm flat. I'm good from 980, 5 micros. Nice job. That's nice. That's nice. Okay, let's see. That song is going to be done here pretty soon. Could do some weird mix of 2 genres and normally aren't mashed together. Yeah, I could try that too. I'm curious if you're using a trend line. Wouldn't you say that it's broken the trend line? Which one? Like this one here? This is NQ, and that trend line that I had there was on ES. So until we see a really strong closure below this, I would say it's still going to keep going up, right? It's rejecting the 229,995. Yeah, we have a lot of selling pressure up there, but it's probably going to pop through here eventually. This was just a temporary bullish channel that we were in, and it seems like it kind of maybe it's not very accurate, right? It was kind of like more of a bull flag, like something like this. Why did it do that? With sort of a flat bottom. And then we broke out of it, although we retested, and then now we went a little bit higher. Although we haven't really taken the highs very well. Your trend line was crooked? Well, NQ isn't as clean, right? For the overall trend line here necessarily. But yeah, it kind of looks like NQ is kind of coming out of it, doesn't it? But you know, this isn't far enough out of the trend line to say that it's failing just yet, but this is the start of it. If it decides to pull back. Hey, Jonathan Stonks in the house. What's up, buddy? Yeah, it looks like it could be the start of the pullback here. We might end up getting a pullback. I was like targeting sort of at the 919, 915 area here. That's where I had those orders earlier. It's also the active point of control. Like that. If you draw the trend line above in the 5-minute chart. I don't know, that could still be inside, right? It is on the verge of breaking down. Like these, you know, sometimes when these guys pop out a bit, I don't necessarily think that that's like, you know, they weren't outside of it long enough. My guy, watch out for the big L on this trade. London voice. Don't worry, dude. I'm not in a trade right now. But I appreciate you looking out for me, man. Thank you. Thank you. Lloyd is sharp. Yeah, all those unfilled FVGs, that's a good entry. Yeah, and, you know, if we look at, you know, the active volume point of control, if you look, have this, it's called the visible range volume profile here. So that'll show you where the point of control is. And quite often the price likes to come back to the point of control, which is currently at 913-ish. So this would be a decent trade entry. Okay, we got the song is ready. So let's download these two guys. I lost you for a while. I watched you once and couldn't find you again. Oh, really? Then you must not have subscribed. Make sure you subscribe. You locking this in, my guy? Yeah, I am. Locked in, loaded. Just uploading these two new songs that I made. Okay, we're getting a bit of a pullback here, guys. Yeah, this is an unmitigated fair value gap, these two down here. So we might end up getting a deeper pullback to this area. We'll see. Okay, here's a new song, the 80s rock one.
Late night futures. Globex glowing. Mustang trader in the distance. Market butcher on the radio.
Yeah, so it's just like the buyers and sellers. I don't really pay that much attention to that. I'm just curious to see where like the most contracts are traded, and that's like right at this peak, you know, wherever the volume on the left peaks. So the visible range volume profile, if you just like keep all the price in that is on the screen there, it'll like show you where the most contracts are traded. So we might end up finding support here at 64 area, which is Sharpie's level. But then there could be a deeper pullback down to the 913s. You want a funded Next account, but it's taken forever to get it? Oh, no. Where did you win that, old red? I'm going to be red until Christmas, my guy? I hope not. I hope not, bro. Hey, Czar. Wonder if London will be kind after Asia stole all the fun? Right? Yeah, it might not be, right? Oh, it's another channel? Yeah, I got you. We're probably going to get a deeper pullback maybe in London. We'll have to see. It might just also rip higher. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution lower. Sell the news? I don't know. They said that they're really slow. Yeah, it depends on how it is. So like if you win an account on my channel here, I literally give you a code and you just put it in and you like get it. It's from Lucid, right? So it's really fast. Like Yazzie got it in today's stream and she had it in like her account in like, I don't know, 3 minutes. I hope I'm not red until Christmas. No bank holidays for the whale. Yeah, I know, right? They're going to trade. They'll trade. It will be lower volume tomorrow, though. Yes, you did hear your name in the song. Everyone's name's probably in the song. Lila's dropping strategies again. You can barely hear it? Is it too loud? We did the giveaway already, earlier, but if you hit the link to the Discord, fill out the giveaway form in the giveaway channel, you'll be entered for the next Sunday giveaway. We give away one account every Sunday. I'm not that big of a trader to get so many. Oh yeah, I just reminded the lyrics. I feel so lonely. Yeah, I literally copy the chat comments and paste it into ChatGPT and get it to like write the song so that everyone's names are in it and your comments are in it. It just makes the people feel more part of the stream. Hey Adam, what's up? How you doing, my man? Okay, we got another version of the same song, so let's play that one. Yo, Jim Blob, it's like Kyoto Dongo calling double tops again. Yo, Jim Blob yelling NQ dirty. Miss K throwing trophies through the crowd. FN Trader asking Asia or New York. CD Zen watching 3-minute lines. Haven't got resistance drawn in red. Savage Princess came in late tonight. I felt so lonely. Then the room ignites. You need more volume? You can't hear it? Okay, I can turn it up. I'll start it over again, and then we'll turn it up. I'll keep that in mind, Chris. Yeah, hoodie, of course. Yeah, the drop's coming. Raylan, NQ, what's up? Oh, you didn't get the notification? Aw.
Adults, protect the evil, respect the stop, and remember, if NQ gets dirty,
some buying volume there, guys. 54 contracts at 29,975. Let's put on, where is this other one here? Okay, so I think I'm going to wrap it up here, guys, pretty quick. I got to get up for market open tomorrow morning. I'm going to be a zombie in the morning if I don't get to sleep here sometime soon. I still got to take Frank for a walk also. So let's see here. Let's do the roll count. This one is a good one, too. It's like says bye to everybody.
Another Sunday in the books. Base hit secured. Stops respected. Boner candles printed. This one's for the butcher gang, 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 gang.
I'm not allowed to leave? Oh. I wish I could stay up all night, but you know, I gotta wake up at 5:50 a.m., which is only about 6-7 hours from now, and I still gotta take Frank for a walk. Frank and Ralph. I'm gonna miss you too. Thank you. Keep in mind, guys, Lucid still has 50% off using my code MBT. If you're looking to pick up some accounts, they even have it on the direct accounts, which they normally don't put on discount. You can get 50% off. So if you got a 50K direct account, it's $260, which is pretty crazy for skipping an eval. Use code MBT, maximum 2 per person. They apply for any account, the Pro, the Flex, or the Direct. Thanks, the Punisher. See ya. Yeah, guys, I really should wrap it up here. Is a 50% off for new subs only on Lucid? No, it's a maximum of 2 per person. So if you haven't used it yet, you should still be able to get the 50% off. And maximum of 2 accounts, any account. Have a good night, Savage Princess. Thanks, T4 Keeps. POC moved up. Oh yeah, it did, didn't it? Yeah, the volume's getting higher up in that upper section now. No, I still have it. Make sure you. Oh yes, it did. It did. You're right. Right where we are right now, actually. So we might not get much more of a pullback. Oh, what happened there? Where did it go? Yeah, it is. It is. It's right there. 965 right now. I got an entry here. I'm gonna try to take profits up at the 60s here. Copy price. Uh, 76. Sorry. A little more pop here. Come on. Want to see us get up to that 9 EMA. Of course, I'm going to get into a trade right as we're ending the stream here. Come on, guys. Maybe that's going to be the end of the push? That can't be. They got to have more than that. Hopefully this doesn't roll over on me here. Yeah, looks like it might be going lower still. Let's see. Get a little pop here. Hoping for like 76. There we go. We got out there. Locked in a little bit more. Add a trade there. Let's see what I did. 24 bucks. Just double check here on the dashboard. Make sure everything is out. Okay. I don't want to be in a long trade though, but just a little scalp there. Trading 5 accounts. 25 bucks times 5. That's 125 bucks. So easy. So now I'm up 278 here. 15 trades, 100% win rate, $278. But yeah, thanks guys. Is a 50? Oh yes, I answered that. Thank you. Have a good night. Have a good night, everybody. Hearts, hearts, hearts. 106 people still watching. 91 in YouTube. 15 in X. Thanks everybody for tuning in. 4 people in the vertical stream. How did we do in the end on the lights? Did we break 100? Did we break 100? Oh yeah, 128 likes. Raise the roof. Raise the roof. At 1.29K subscribers. Wow. Thank you guys. What a good way to end the night. What a good way to end the night. I had 1,264 and now we're at 1,295. So 30 subscribers tonight. Thank you so much, everybody. I appreciate you guys. Love it. Thank you for the support. Go, bro. Have a good night. Nice stream. Hella green tonight. Good job, bud. Good job. Congratulations. I love it when people are green. 128L. Nice. All right, guys. So we'll be live again tomorrow morning, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you're there earlier, though, Nick, Mustang Trader, is going to be live right around 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So hang out with him. Thanks so much. I appreciate you guys. Love you. Appreciate all the support. Had another really fun night. Keeping the size down, just taking a little base hits here and there. So awesome little stream. Got 30 new subscribers. And yeah, it was a great, awesome night. So thank you, everybody. And yeah, see you tomorrow morning. If not, see you Tuesday morning. Tuesday night, we'll be back live for this evening stream. So catch you around the day. But yeah, thanks everybody. Let's just do a little outro here. Say goodbye to the top fans. Thanks so much. Jane, Sharpie, Yojim Blab, CD Zen, Noy, Lilish Borker, Kyle, Martinez, GLaDOS, M. Will, Jonathan Stonks, Paul, Chris, Pacific Crypto, Oleg, Angia, SV Junior, Trading Game, T for Keeps, Adam Daz, GCX Factor, M. Brown, MKC, AXP, Gary LP3, Tim Core, my dad, Lady Sika, Medi, London Voice, Nicole Yassi, congrats tonight, Yassi, Skeletor, Richard Dowdy, Cam Fluence, Mid-Century, Savage Princess, Lone Wolf, Jerry Trades, Stack Dubs, The Jolly Balls, Nick, Nikes, Bond, The Global Summary, Lafta, Drew 69, Malibu, Financial Blicks, Tuculus, Zooman, 44th Punisher, and Old Red. Hey, thank you, everybody. If I missed you, I apologize. Thank you so much for hanging out. Love you guys, and we will see you on the flip side. No, Dave, you aren't allowed to leave. Sorry. We gotta go. Good night, Paul.
No revenge trade, no emotional crime, just base hits stacking one trade at a time. If you blew the evil, reload and grind, 'cause the butcher market explodes. Randall Paul trader riding bullets roads. Daily candle trades watching every week. Erkin never next, calling every flip. Chris G6 never panic clicks. No Wi-Fi 5 got discipline wrist. Skeletor 619 came out the crypt. Lilash Walker with the EVG scripts. Richard Dowdy 82 steady never slips. Fast so crypto got the crypto tip. Basics. 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 Trade like a nuts. Trade like a nuts.
Okay, Lilish. See ya.
Camfluence probably buying the dip. Drew 69 Malibu cruise.
Camfluence probably buying the dip.
One got memes in the clip. Charles Jolly 569. Don't quit. Randy trade futures. Chasing that flow. Trading on me. Yelling shorty bro. Will 29 steady nice and slow. Adam Dash got another funny goal. Clean Taurus loving all stream long. Team SF 9594 singing this song. Rob Miller Hagen staying strong. Mango M80 where you belong. Just ain't right.
See you guys. Love ya.